ShipConstructor 2020 Weld Management now supports tracking and review of weld revisions across the entire model. Weld revisions can now be viewed using one of three methods. From the Project Revisions or Part Revisions palette, where synchronized welds, modified welds, deleted welds, and added welds are all tracked and displayed. By using the Task Manager to record and display a revision summary, where weld modifications can be tracked by user and for specific changes made within the task list window. And by using PublisherLT to create output based on revisions remotely, where you can create reports and outputs for weld changes even when not connected to ShipConstructor. While revisions have previously been available for other components within ShipConstructor, the ability to track weld revisions provides a whole new level of rigor in viewing and understanding weld changes made to the project over time. Keep track of changes on an individual user level, unit level, or project level, and be able to access and share that data from a variety of locations to suit your needs.